Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute lemon. So you can see that I'm using my yellow pen to draw a cute lemon. I'm drawing its eyes. Here's its mouth. I will fill all over its body with the yellow pen. And I'm drawing its stem with my green pen. Let's draw a leaf. In its eyes, I'm using my black pen. Let's draw its hands. Here's its legs. I'm using my pink pen. I'm using my orange pen. Wow, it seems like the lemon is dancing. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.